don't want to see Transformers Age of Extinction. I want to see Postman Pat the movie.
Naughty. We are not seeing Shipman's Fat. We are seeing Transformers Age of Extinction, so shut up.
What the fuck?
Stop it, Naughty. Either watch Transformers Age of Extinction, or get grounded.
What's your offer?
You will be grounded for 32,058,209,384 years.
No, I want to see Postman Pat. I want to see Postman Pat. I want to see Postman Pat. I want to see Postman Pat.
Naughty, you make me sick. You are grounded for 32,058,209,384 years.
Dude, we're garden gnomes. I can't live that long. You can't live that long. Nobody can live for 3,2,0,5,8,2,0,9,3,8,4 years.
Shut up. We're going home right now.
Wah 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 wah.